Hello, my name is Adaventure of the Woman Workshop. Today on safety, I want to talk to us about our specs. So you are wearing your specs, and guess what? It's scratched up, it's blurry, you really can't see through it. Now what do? Do you buy a new one? Absolutely not. Homemade. You get your toothpaste, get any toothpaste at all, and then you get a little bit of wipes and squeeze into that. A wet toothpaste is always the best, right? So you get that and you gently clean your specs with your toothpaste like that. Really do that nice. Ooh, whoa. Now let's check. Wow, clear, 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 clear as day. And then you continue on your day. See you, bye.